Hey there, Sandy with Sandy and Company, and today we're talking about how we can get our R&R just at home and in our own communities. It's something as we near the end of summer that I don't want you to miss out on. As you may know by now, I did go ahead and sell my big place in Marysville, and I bought a little cottagey home in Edmonds. And you know, as I near to the end of summer, I am just so grateful that I have things around my home that I really want to do. So I'm going to encourage you, if you've not thought much about what else you can do that actually feels good before the summer is out, I want you to think about what really makes you smile. Is it maybe having a project done? Yeah, that is kind of me. I do like getting things accomplished. Or is it just having some R&R with your family in the backyard? Or is it reacquainting yourself with the neighborhood coffee shop? There is so much to do around us, whether you're in the Northwest or somewhere across the country. Your home and your community has a lot to offer. I am constantly amazed at how we, and I have put myself in this, we spend a whole lot of money for these houses and these places that have so much to offer. And then what do? We need to relax somewhere else, or we need to go entertain ourselves somewhere else. So I know I'm a bit of a homebody and I do like projects, but one of the things I'm working on right now, remember I got that fence finished out, but I still needed to finish getting that root ball out. See if I can put that there. Yep, there we go. That's probably the last mother load of at least 3 roots that I've taken out, and it's just, it's been a chore, but you know what? I just feel so accomplished, and it's an awesome project. In the mornings here in the warm summertime, I go around and I have a little walkabout, and I reacquaint myself with my yard. Because it's a new yard to me this year, I get to see how things are blooming, what colors are coming up. I've got a rose of Sharon in the backyard that's just starting to bloom. I've been watching the buds swell, and finally they're out. I'll include a picture because they are just dainty and sweet. They're precious. So in the meantime, I am still, for the most part, doing some work, seeing family, getting things done, seeing my church family, and hanging out with the dog actually some more. We're doing some walks, and that's part of getting to know my neighborhood better. And it's what I feel is fully enjoying and appreciating what I have here. Another thing that if you are out working in your yard, you get a chance to see things before they get big. So I was able to notice that we had some blackberries coming from over next door, so I cut those back last night. It's just little things that make it home sweet home. What do they say? Be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. So I really hope you have a place that fits you, that makes you smile, that makes you feel like you can just wrap yourself up in it and have it as comfort and safety and security and beauty and all of that in a place. So if you want people to gather, or if you want people to stay away and it's your own little refuge, hope you have your home sweet home. I can help you with that if you don't. In the meantime, stay safe, stay blessed, have a super blessed rest of your summer, and let me know if there's anything else we can help you with your real estate needs. Have a blessed day.